because I look very much good. Again, tangling and shedding. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is your first time seeing me. Hello, it's your girl Diamond Janae here on YouTube, and as you guys can see by the title, your girl has another synthetic wig review for you guys, and this is actually going to be another 2-for-1 because I have already worn this hair, I would say actually about 2 weeks now at this point, where I was a little bit surprised by, because don't get me wrong, this wig is very nice. I don't really have any crazy call out. Like, I didn't know I was gonna be rocking blonde hair for a solid 2 weeks, but your girl's definitely not complaining. So I definitely have had a lot of wear time with this wig. I went out with this wig, I've chilled at my house in this wig, grocery shopped in this wig. The only thing I have not done in this wig is basically go to the gym, because I'm not sweating in this, I know that for sure. So of course, with all of that being said, I can definitely give you guys the rundown, the nitty gritty of this wig and all that stuff, and whether or not I feel as though you guys should buy it or not. I will say as well too, I am going to insert me unboxing this wig and also applying this wig and all that good fun stuff as well, if you guys are interested in seeing that. But of course, if you guys just want to skip to the actual review, the chapters will be down below, so you guys can just skip to that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation, so sweet you could taste it. It's 8 in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so aligned and it's so that when I'm so can't get a vibe. I wait me too many get a line. I ain't getting control. It's the flow. It's a can't tell when it's up and I'm on. How does it feel? I beat the boss that paid the price. Get up off my balls, I said it nice. Get up off that wall and change your life. Take you to paradise. She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be?
Alright guys, so your girl got another Outre melted hairline unit, but what else is new? Listen, the units, they be getting the job done, okay? Because I look very much good. But yeah guys, so with this particular unit, it is the Outre melted hairline Audrina wig. Like I said, I stay picking wigs that I do not know how to pronounce the name correctly, so hopefully it is what it is. Of course, I'm gonna make sure that I have the links and all the information down below, and I also did just take the screenshot of the product page as well. So I did get this wig off of Amazon, of course, and then as you guys can see, I did get her in the color 613. So yeah, very much Barbie, very much blonde, very much giving Okay, so, and then I will say too, just like the other wigs I've ordered from Amazon, I have noticed that depending on what color you get, it may be more or less expensive. So as of now, for the 613 wig, that is currently $32. And then for example, if you did want to get this hair in like a 1B, like a natural black, that would be $36.97, so $37. So it would be basically $5 more. Again, I feel like Amazon kind of be changing their prices when it comes to these wigs sometimes. So I would say you're basically spending around 30 bucks to get get this unit, which again, I feel like it's pretty good, especially because of the quality and how long this hair is lasting me. I mean, to be quite honest with y'all, I definitely do see myself wearing this hair again because the hair doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't. And then of course, this hair is eligible for Amazon Prime shipping. So of course, we love that. We love being able to get our hair as soon as possible. So that is very much nice as well. All right, guys, so I guess we can just jump into tangling and shedding. So I will say, as far as the tangling goes, this hair does tangle, but it's one of those situations where it'll tangle when you're first putting it on and you're first styling it. But once you have the wig styled and it's laying and it's put the way you want it to be, I don't really get a crazy amount of tangling after that. Like if I randomly run my hands through this hair, I get a little bit of pushback, but the most pushback I get is usually like towards the bottom, like right in this area, because I feel like it definitely is thicker. But as you guys can see, the hair basically still did maintain its curl pretty good. The curl did drop a little bit, so again, I do apologize for not jumping on here sooner to do the initial review. And now again, like I said, this is basically after 2 weeks worth of wear, so I definitely have no complaints as far as that goes. So again, a little bit of tangling, but nothing too crazy. And again, like from here to here, it's pretty much good, no tangling, nothing like that. But then once you get towards the bottom, that's when you do get a little bit of pushback. But I don't think you really need to be carrying this brush in your purse throughout the day. Like it's definitely not that type of tangle. But again, like when you first put the wig on and when you're first doing your hair for the day and stuff like that, definitely do keep that in mind. I will say though, as far as shedding goes, I don't know, and I think I did briefly say this for one of my videos before, but like for some reason I feel like whether it's human hair or synthetic hair, I feel like light blonde hair in general, I feel like it's because of the fact that it's so blonde, especially because most of the time I'm wearing black articles of clothing, but I tend to notice that those units shed more compared to other units where it's like brown hair, black hair, burgundy, etc, etc. Like I feel like blonde hair always sheds more. So I will say I do get some shedding from this hair. Again, it's basically the same thing as far as the tangling goes, as far as like, yes, you are going to get some shedding when you are brushing through the hair and basically kind of styling the hair to wear for the day. But as far as like me feeling random strands on me and like me leaving a trail of hair behind me throughout the day, that's not the case, or at least not that I've noticed. Again, I've been wearing jackets, hoodies, all that fun stuff, and I really like, I've been seeing strands here and there, so it's not crazy, but at the same time it's definitely not minimum. So I will say it's like right in between. But like me personally, I feel like it's manageable. Like it's not like I'm getting like whole clumps of hair, but I definitely am getting strands of hair here and there throughout the day as I run my hands through it and as I tweak it and stuff like that. And like looking at myself, I might see a strand here or there. But again, with blonde hair, that's basically to be expected, at least in my mind. Like I have not had a blonde unit, human hair or synthetic, that has not done that to me. So it's pretty much standard in my opinion, but I definitely did want to make a note of that for you guys. But yeah, guys, so as far as the lace goes, because I'm not sure how good you guys were able to see it on the previous clip of me installing this hair, but the lace itself is phenomenal. Again, I have worn this hair multiple times and it looks pretty good. I did get a brush and brush off like the excess spray that I usually use to spray my wigs down, so it basically kind of just looks like it's brand new again. I mean, as you can see, you do see my bald cap, but that's because you're like really looking like from back here you can't really see nothing, you know. But yeah, because it's like even like when I had reinstalled this wig this morning, it's not really that bad. And on top of that, considering the fact that I didn't put any powder or any excess spray on it or anything like that, and the lace is blending in as good as it is, definitely good for me. I mean, me personally, I feel like in general Outre's wigs are extremely good when it does come to their lace. Their lace usually isn't really ever like a red flag for me, unless I'm complaining about how much lace I'm getting, because I have done that before. But yeah, when it comes to Outre's lace, I really don't have any complaints. Like every single Outre wig I've gotten, their lace has always been immaculate. Like they're no shade, but a lot of these synthetic wig companies, their lace lays and blends in better than some of these human hair companies. So I don't know if they just need to like team up or something. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. This video is pretty much straight to the point because I don't really have any complaints when it comes to this hair. I mean, the color's there, the style is definitely there. Again, the curl looks very much cute. Oh yeah, I will say, see, sometimes I remember to do this and then sometimes I don't, but this is what all the hair looks like straight to the front, so absolutely no hair in the back. That is what the wig is giving, as you guys can see. So sometimes I do wear it like this, and then sometimes I also do wear it like half back, half to the front. It honestly just depends on what I feel like doing and the vibe that I'm going for. But that's what the front looks like. And then this is what the hair looks like from the side, as you guys can see. And then this is what the hair looks like from the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. I never know for sure if you guys can see until like I'm editing the video, and obviously by then it's like how many hours later. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. Again, I really don't have anything really to say about this wig. I mean, the installation was pretty easy. The lace blends in amazingly, like I had said earlier. Again, tangling and shedding, you do get some pushback, I will say, considering the fact that this is synthetic hair, and especially considering the fact that I have worn this hair for 2 weeks. I feel like that is definitely not a bad thing at all. Again, definitely would recommend this wig. I will say this wig is 110% Diamond Janae approved. But anyways, if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl if you have not already. And of course, catch up on my other content if you guys have not. And yeah, but I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you guys happen to be watching this, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.